Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive beta updates on your iPhone, iPad or any of the Apple devices to try the upcoming software features on your device. So here we go. So to receive the beta updates either on your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, etc., you will have to enroll into the Apple beta software program. For that you will have to go to the beta.apple.com. I have shared the link in the description of this video as well. Once you visit this page, you can see that you can get the beta software for iOS, iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, watchOS and all. So the very first thing you have to do is click on the sign up button here. Just click on it. After that it will ask you to log into your Apple account. Then on the next page you will get the agreement for the Apple beta software program. If you want, you can go through it, just read all of this, or you can just click on the agree button here. So now you can see that we are on new page, guide for beta software. There is different section for all of these Apple devices. We will go through the iOS, for example. Just scroll down a bit, and here in the get started section you will find this link saying enroll your iOS device. So just click on this. It will give you this warning message that it's recommended and better to have a backup of your regular commercial iOS version of your device if anything goes wrong. So now you are fully enrolled into the Apple beta software program, and let me show you how to get the beta softwares on your Apple devices. So now if I go back to my iPhone here and then tap on settings, then go to the general section, then software update. Here you can see a new section, beta updates is available. If I go here, you can see I got the public beta for the iOS 27 here and iOS 26 public beta as well as the developer beta. For that I have signed up earlier separately. So now if I just select the iOS 27 public beta here, it will take some time in setting up my device for the upcoming iOS 27 public beta. Just wait for a bit. So now it is selected, as you can see. Now if I go back from here, you can see instead of showing the iOS 26.5, it is showing now iOS 27 beta is available for my iPhone here. It's a huge software package, 19.62 GB, because unlike the incremental regular software update that usually comes in 3 GB, 4 GB, sometimes in few hundred MBs of the software package, this is the whole software package from end to end. So it's pretty huge. So all you have to do is just tap on update now button. It will start downloading the software package and the regular process will be followed. If you would like to use the regular software on your Apple devices, for example my iPhone here, then you need to go to the beta updates section, tap on off. The beta updates will be off, and now if you go back to the software update section and tap on try again here, then once again it will show you the current existing commercial version of the iOS, that is iOS 26.5 or whatever iOS version or iPadOS version available when you are watching this video. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.